Hello guys, welcome back to the third part of the polynomials and factorization. In the previous part, I had explained you regarding zeros of the polynomial and how to find out the zeros of the polynomial. So in this part, I am going to explain you how to divide two polynomials and what is the relationship between remainder, divisor, quotient and dividend of the polynomials, and how to find out the remainder when a polynomial is divided by another polynomial. So before explaining how to divide the two polynomials, I want to give you a simple example of dividing two numbers. That is, here I am considering the numbers as 25 and 3. So 25 by 3, I am dividing this 25 with 3. So 3 adds a 24, and by subtracting this 25 with 24, I will get a value of 1, which is the remainder of this particular division. So here, since the remainder is 1, which means that this 3 is not a factor of 25. If the remainder is 0, we can conclude that this 3 is a factor of 25. Now, I can write this as this 25 as 3 into 8 plus 1. That is 3 into 8 is 24 plus 1. So, I am writing this 25 as 3 into 8 plus 1. Now, I am giving some terminology to this one, which is 25 is our dividend and 3 is our divisor and 8 is our quotient. 1 is our remainder. So, I am naming it here. So, which means that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The same is applicable in polynomials also. So, we use the same method to divide two polynomials. So, now coming to the polynomials, the question is divide the polynomial 3x power of 3 plus x square plus x by the monomial x. So, now I am taking this 3x cube plus x square plus x here, and I am dividing it with x. So the first term here is 3x power of 3. So for getting 3x power of 3 here, we should multiply this x with 3x square. So 3x square into x gives you 3x cube. Now by subtracting this value from this polynomial, we will get here 0. 3x cube minus 3x cube gives you 0, and the remaining value is x square plus x. Now for getting this x square, we should multiply this x with another x. So x into x gives you x square, and again by subtracting these two values, we will get 0 here and the remaining value is x here. So for getting this x here, we should multiply this x with 1. So x into 1 gives a value of x, and by subtracting these two values, we will get a remainder as 0. So this is how we should divide two polynomials, and since we got a remainder as 0, this x and this 3x square plus x plus 1 are factors of this 3x cube plus x square plus x. So this is how we divide a polynomial with another polynomial. Now coming to the next question, divide the polynomial 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 and verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. So now first I am dividing this 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 with x minus 1, and later on I will verify it with remainder with 0 of the divisor. So now here I am dividing this 2x power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 with x minus 1. So the first term here is 2x power of 4. So by multiplying x with 2x cube, I will get 2x power of 4, and this minus 1 into 2x cube gives me minus 2x cube. Now by dividing this value with this polynomial, I will get 2x power of 4 minus 2x power of 4 as 0, and minus 4x cube plus 2x cube gives me minus 2x power of 3, and the remaining value is minus 3x and minus 1. Now here by multiplying this x with minus 2x square, I will get minus 2x cube, and minus 1 into minus 2x square gives me plus 2x square. Now again by subtracting this value with this equation, we will get minus 2x cube plus 2x cube as 0, and minus 3x and minus 2x square, and the remaining is minus 1. Now for getting this minus 2x square, I should multiply this x with minus 2x. So minus x into minus 2x, x into minus 2x gives me minus 2x square, and minus 1 into minus 2x gives me plus 2x. And again by dividing this with this, we will get minus 2x square plus 2x square as 0, and minus 3x minus 2x as minus 5x, and the remaining value is minus 1. Now again by multiplying this x with minus 5, I will get a value of minus 5x, and minus 1 into minus 5 gives me a value of plus 5. And again by subtracting this value with this value, minus 5x plus 5x is 0, and minus 1 minus 5 gives me a value of minus 6 here. So finally by dividing this polynomial with another polynomial x minus 1, we will get a remainder of minus 6. Now the question is also to verify the remainder with 0 of the divisor. So first we have to find, this is the divisor, x minus 1 is our divisor. Now we have to find out the 0 of this divisor. So by equating x minus 1 to 0, we will get x value as 1. So x equal to 1 is the 0 of this divisor x minus 1. Now I am considering this 2x power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 as f of x, and by substituting this 0 of the divisor in this equation, we will get a remainder. Let us see. So by substituting x is equal to 1 here, our value will be 2 into 1 to the power of 4 minus 4 into 1 to the power of 3 minus 3 into 1 and minus 1. So finally 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 6. So here by dividing both the polynomials, we get the remainder as minus 6, and also by substituting 0 of the divisor in the polynomial given, we will also get the remainder. So I think this is the easiest way to find out the remainder of the polynomial. Either we can get the remainder of the polynomial by following this method also. Now another question is find the remainder when x power of 3 plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So simply, no need of dividing both these polynomials. Simply by finding out the 0 of this polynomial and by substituting the 0 in this one, we will get the 0 of the polynomial. So here the 0 of this polynomial is x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives me x is equal to minus 1. Now by substituting this minus 1 in f of x is equal to x power of 3 plus 1, we will get the remainder of division of both these polynomials. Now I am substituting this minus 1 here. So minus 1 whole power of 3 plus 1 gives me a value of 0. So by dividing this x power of 3 plus 1 with x plus 1, we will get remainder as 0. So you guys, as you learned how to divide two polynomials, please cross check this. Now the next question is, if the polynomial ax power of 3 plus 3x square minus 13 and 2x power of 3 minus 5x plus a are divided by x minus 2, leave the same remainder. Find the value of a. So here the question is, by dividing both these polynomials with the same divisor x minus 2, it leaves the same remainder. So for finding out the remainders individually, first we have to find out the 0 of this divisor. That is x minus 2 is equal to 0, which gives me a value of x is equal to 2. So now I am considering this both polynomials as f of x and g of x. F of x is equal to x to the power of 3 plus 3x square minus 13, and g of x is equal to 2x to the power of 3 minus 5x plus a. Now by substituting these two in this f of x and g of x, I will get the remainders of both these polynomials when they are divided with this divisor x minus 2. Now f of 2 is equal to a into 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 into 2 square minus 13, which is 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 8 into a is 8a, plus 3 into 4 gives me 12, and minus 13, which is 8a minus 1. So by dividing this f of x with x minus 2, we will get a remainder as 8a minus 1. And coming to this g of x, I am substituting 2 in place of x here. So g of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 to the power of 3 minus 5 into 2 plus a, which is 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, minus 5 into 2 is 10 plus a, which gives me a remainder as 6 plus a when this g of x is divided with x minus 2. So now the question here is, when both these equations, both these polynomials are divided by x minus 2, leaves the same remainder. So the remainders are here, which means that 8a minus 1 is equal to 6 plus a. So by solving this, 8a minus a is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7a is equal to 7 and a is equal to 1. So guys, this is how we will find out the remainder of a polynomial when divided by another polynomial. In the next class, I am going to explain you how to factorize the polynomials. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.